How's it going, guys? Sean Drake 117. I know you guys missed me. This is a quick little video. I just want to tell you guys that Josh, your boy, the Xbox guy, he can't post any videos on that channel, unfortunately. But fix that little mic thing. But I'll put the link in the description to his actual channel, the one he's posting all of his videos on. Alright, check that link out. It's gonna be in the description. But that's it. So hope you guys, it wasn't even a video, but just a quick little shout out to Josh. That's a short video, like always. But check it out. He has some really good videos in there. He's really funny in his videos. Click on it. Alright, that's it. If you guys like the soundtrack, it's on Josh's channel. It's and check out my new theme song, I think. I don't know. Yeah, but this is his song. I personally like this song. Alright, that's it.